Welcome to Unboxing Hiver. We have introduced custom objects to tackle a very common, yet challenging issue faced by many teams. Imagine needing every customer email to land in the right account owner's hands with the correct tag attached. You basically have two paths. You either manually tag and assign each email to the correct owner, which is pretty time-consuming, or set up separate automation rules for every customer-owner pair, a task that becomes quite unmanageable when ownership changes. This is exactly where custom objects come into play. By bringing in customer data, like email addresses, account owners, and tags from your CRM or another external system into Hiver, you can drive automations seamlessly. Sounds interesting, right? Let me walk you through the process. Now, I have a spreadsheet here with customer emails, domains, mapped owners, and tags. Typically, you would have this data stored, in your CRM or some another system. Now, you need to export this information as a CSV and then upload it to Hiver to create a custom object. Next, head over to your Hiver admin panel. Create a new custom object and give it a name. Now, upload your CSV. Review your data, and if everything looks good, then hit Create. After your custom object is set up, you can edit it to upload new data if there are changes, or even delete it. You can now use this custom object in shared inbox automation to automatically assign and tag emails. Let me demonstrate how. Go to your shared inbox, select Automations to create one, and make sure to give it a name. While setting up the conditions, you can choose either from email or from domain. For this example, let's go with from email. Next, choose Is Present In, select the custom object you just created earlier, and pick Customer Email. To assign conversations to the correct account owner, select the Assign To option. Choose the custom object and then select the account owner option. Now, to tag conversations, choose the Add Tag option. Select the custom object, and then select the Tags option. This rule now checks if the from email matches any entry in the custom object. If there's a match, it assigns the email to the designated account owner and applies the appropriate tag. Once you've saved and enabled this rule, head to your inbox. You will see, for any new email that matches the criteria, the rule automatically assigns it to the correct owner and attaches the right tag.